Hi guys, this is your tutorial video on how to log in to BrainPOP.com and complete your BrainPOP assignments. So right now you'll see I'm on one of my BrainPOP assignments. In the instructions it gives me all the steps to get into BrainPOP and how to log in, but I'll walk through them with you. So go ahead and click the link. It's going to take you to the BrainPOP.com website. At the top corner, it is going to have this login button that you'll need to click. If it doesn't say login and says like test student, make sure you log out so that you can log in and your data will save. And the next thing you're going to want to click in this pop-up is Clever. So you're going to log in through Clever. Then you're going to go ahead and type in Glendale Middle School. Then it's going to take you to the next page which says Salt Lake City School District, and then you're going to click Login with Active Directory. Then it's going to try to sign you in. Then you're going to go ahead and put your password. I'm going to update my password just so it saves. Then I'm going to hit yes, stay logged in. And now you're getting logged into BrainPOP. So now you should see your name on the top right corner, and what you're going to look for is Dashboard. Your page might look a little different because I'm a teacher, but you should be able to see your classes as well as all of your assignments that you need to complete. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful, and now you know how to log into BrainPOP.